Grandma. Grandma to all the puppies. Huh, Nellie? Big little puppies, big puppies. These are Cherry's puppies. Raisin on the left, Fig on the right. With their grandma and their mommy. Hey, Fig! Big puppies are going, what are these guys doing out here? What are these guys doing out here? Hi, babies! Hi, babies! Hi, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Oh, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Hey there, Figgy Wiggy. Hi, good girl. Hey, Raisin. Good girl, Fig. Yeah. What do you think, little babies? Huh? Grandma, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. Now, get out of the way.